What's up? What's up? Happy New Year 2021. Welcome to Boome's channel. This is Buddy Boome from Northwest Washington. Close my door here. Father of 5, digital entrepreneur. I've been in this make money niche for about 10 years now, and I have a new update for you guys. All right, so those of you who have been following me, I've been a part of this program. This is not MLM. And this is not MLM Pro and Mailbox Cash program. I know it's been a little bit or a few weeks since I made a video. I'm back with you guys with an update with this opportunity. All right, so a couple of years ago, I ran across this guy named Vic Hutchinson, redneck guy from the South over in Georgia, and I really resonated with this guy because of he tells it like it is. He he doesn't sugarcoat stuff, and he's not just gonna say stuff just so we join his programs and be nice just to join his stuff. And that's what you're not gonna find a lot of that in this industry. You're gonna find a lot of people that are gonna say a lot of stuff, um, so you'll join their opportunity. So you'll pay them so they get commissions, and then a lot of times people that happens. You pay your commission, you pay the due to get in your opportunity, and then the people sometimes disappear. Well, anyways, I'm a part of this program, Residual Zilla. It's an automated traffic program that goes into a $25 membership where you get a marketing membership, and you get the potential to start earning $25 per week per person per member with this. So you could make a really good residual income really quick with very few people. 20 people equals $2,000 per month with this program, and it's a marketing membership. And this is why I resonated with this guy so well, why I love following this guy. We meet up every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday webinars, and Vic actually does the closing for us with these opportunities. Okay, so Residual Zilla, this is an automated traffic program. It is free, and it's an automated traffic program. And to get more details about that, you're going to want to check out that link in the description. And I encourage you guys to check out that link, because what my update is actually about is Vic Hutchinson. I'm on his Facebook page right now. This is his money. He's going to start doing random $10,000 giveaway drawings for members that are a part of This Is Not MLM, the $25 program. And there's a few qualifications in there, but one of the main qualifications is you just have to be a qualifying member, a paying member, and you just have to give away 2 of these Residual Zilla automated traffic programs, which are actually free. You just have to give away 2 of them, free memberships. You need 2 people, and then be a paying member with This Is Not MLM, the $25 program. Okay, so you guys have been following me. I've been a part of this program for a little bit now, and I'm a part of the Mailbox Cash program, which is This Is Not MLM Pro, where you can actually get $1,000 cash commissions for every person that joins you. This is cash in the mailbox, no merchants or anything like that. But my update today for 2021, I know 2020 has been a crappy year for a lot of people, a lot of friends, a lot of marketers out there. Vic Hutchinson's doing something amazing for 2021. Okay, so at the end of February, $10,000 cash giveaway, and it doesn't stop right there. Every single Monday, a random person in the group is going to get a chance to win $1,000 on Mondays, as long as they're a paying member. We have webinars every single week. We meet up Mondays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. Pacific Time because I'm in Washington. Mondays, you're going to get a chance to win $1,000 cash. He's actually good. He'll just mail the money to the winner. So, $10,000 cash giveaway, random drawing, and that's going to be the end of February. If you don't think that's going to keep people in this program and keep people excited about Residual Zilla, this is not MLM and this is not MLM Pro. Okay, so I'm going to go to my Google Chrome here, and you check out my back office here. As you see, I had 30 plus or 40 plus people referrals, and we actually started out back from scratch with this program. Okay, so I had to, everybody, not just me, everybody. That's why you don't see any referrals on there. It just restarted this Residual Zilla from scratch. I still have the referrals, I mean, for my other one, but this one is because of the new promotion for this program. This is not MLM, and this is not MLM Pro, the Mailbox Cash program. $10,000 cash giveaway, and the qualifications. Check out that link in the descriptions of the video. You're going to want to check it out. I encourage you guys to check it out. You just have to be a $25 paying member and just give a couple of these automated traffic programs away. These are free, so give 2 of them away. You're going to be qualified for this program, and otherwise it's going to unlock this program, and then I'll start showing you referrals. So just give them 2 away, then my referrals will start showing up. If you guys watch my videos about this program before, you know that I had like 30 or 40 referrals or more in the referrals part right here, and it said that the income was 3,000 or 4,000 or something like that. But we all started over from scratch. You just have to give away 2 of these marketing memberships, and to join This Is Not MLM is very, very simple. You're just going to click this link right here where it said This Is Not MLM. I just tapped it. You're going to watch this video, explains the program, and you're going to put your name. You're going to want to put your same email that you used for your Residual Zilla. The reason that you're going to want to do that, you can do the same password too if you want, or you can do a different one. The reason that you're going to want to put the same email is because, okay, so Residual Zilla, you join it. These are going to actually be connected, and when you start giving this program away, and your leads or your people, the people that you introduce this program to, when they click on this link, this is going to be individualized link that's going to go to you. So you're going to start getting the $25 payments when people join this program. And the reason they're going to want to join this program is because they can do the exact same thing. They can make $25 per week per member, marketing membership, and it's going to qualify them to be a part of this $10,000 cash giveaway and the $1,000 per week giveaway. Okay, so the $10,000 cash is going to be the end of February. That's not very far off because we're first day of January 2021. This is a new promotion for This Is Not MLM. So very simple, quick recap. Residual Zilla, join this for free. Put your name and email at the bottom of the program, and then when you get your login details and get into your back office, which looks like this, it's going to say the same thing. It's going to say 0 referrals, and this is going to be your referral link right here. You're going to want to use a URL shortener or go to GoDaddy or Namecheap and just get a domain for, I think it's $9 per year. Pick your own domain, because you're going to be sharing these in your Facebook. You don't want to share that big old long link right there. And check out the automated traffic training. You're just going to simply go to this, where up here where it says marketing training video. And these are new videos in here too, friends. Okay, so watch the video, and this is going to be, you copy and paste this right here and go on to your timeline, copy it. There is a link right here that says FV down. Okay, that's to download videos. And it's, what that's basically going to do is you're going to download this video right here, which is actually Vic's video explaining about the $10,000 cash giveaway, and you're going to put that on your timeline and just follow the simple directions. It's image posting and adding people onto your Facebook friends list. Pretty simple, guys. So you're going to want to be a part of this. To check out the link for Residualzilla, check out that link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message, send me a text message. You can call me either any way you want. Get a hold of me. I'm happy to walk you through on getting started with this. It's very, very simple though. Just make sure you guys use the same email for Residualzilla, and this is not MLM. Make sure you use the same emails because they're going to be connected, friends. And also, I have a phone number. I have my SMS phone leads phone number that's connected, that I'm using to promote This Is Not MLM, my Mailbox Cash program, and This Is Not MLM Junior, the $25 program. That number is 360-298-9617. You can call it up and then just follow the simple directions and then enter your phone number, and then it'll shoot you a text message that'll ask your name and then your email. And then it's going to actually send you this link to this opportunity, as well as the Mailbox Cash opportunity to your Gmail or your email, whatever you want to call it. So, new update for 2021. Check this out, guys. You're going to want to be a part of this, guys, because nobody else is doing this out there. That you don't see any other marketers out there giving away $10,000 cash of out of their own pocket. I don't see anybody else out there doing stuff like that. And the crazy thing about this is Vic doesn't hype stuff up. He doesn't hype things up. He doesn't like to hype things up. He's a no BS type of dude. And we meet up every week, and we invite our prospects to check out the meeting. He actually does the closing, the selling, and the telling for the junior program and the Mailbox Cash program. And it's working. This is converting for a lot of people out there. The Mailbox Cash opportunities aren't going anywhere. They're not going anywhere. They're going to be around. They have been around for a number of years. They're going to be around for a lot of years. So check out that link in the description, friends. This is Buddy. I hope you guys had a happy new year 2021. May it be your best year yet to prosper in abundance. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. God bless.